Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make peanut butter banana smoothie. We just need 5 minutes and a very few ingredients to make this delicious smoothie. Let's move to the video. In a juicer, take 1 cup of milk, then add 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 2 teaspoons flax seeds. Juice it nicely like this. Pour into a serving glass. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Add 2 to 3 round sliced banana pieces, 2 to 3 chopped almonds on top of it for garnishing. Our peanut butter banana smoothie is ready. You will really love this healthy banana smoothie recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.